Guys, I just wanted really just to reach out to you. I mean, hopefully everybody is okay. I guess that's the first thing. You know, with everything going on right now, it's a little crazy out. You know, we're kind of more so stuck at home, doing our own thing, working on our cars kind of thing. So just wanted to let you guys know I'm just, you know, here in the garage doing more DIYs right now. So I'm currently filming a few things at this moment. So obviously staying at home, you know, with the family, kids and all that kind of stuff. So basically using plenty of my time away from work and stuff like that, since I am still working, but is to, you know, really get on the DIYs, get some of these other videos that I really wanted to, you know, get done and basically do. So got some few interior stuff going on right now. So I got that right at the moment. And then a few little engine mods, DIYs that I'm gonna be working on next. So plenty to do, of course, and plenty more to come. So with that being said, hopefully everybody is okay. Like I mentioned, please, you know, let me know down in the comment section below that, you know, obviously you are okay. What are you working on right now as far as, you know, in your garage, as you, I'm sure majority of you are, you know, kind of stuck at home and stuff like that, or spending a little bit more time at home. So let me know down in the comment section below as far as what you guys are working on at the moment. All right, appreciate the support. More updates to come, videos here actually this weekend. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate everybody stopping in and checking out the videos. Stay safe, and I'll chat with you soon. Take care.